In this video, I will share with you how to embed a YouTube video in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to my Hostinger account. Go to websites, then select websites list and click on this edit website button next to your website. Now, to embed or to add your YouTube video in your home page, it's simple. First, let's delete these three elements. Now, let's say that I want to add my video here. Just go to this plus icon and look for video, the video element, drag and move it like that. It's simple. Let's delete the second one, and this is your default video added. Click on edit video, and here insert your YouTube video link. Let's copy this video URL, paste it like that. You can select between auto playing your video or not. Let's go with autoplay. You can make this video a loop, which means it will repeat playing itself after ending. You can also show or hide the video controls from here. Let's hide the video controls. Now you can, after inserting your video, you can duplicate it from here. And after that, don't forget to update your website to save your editing. Let's view my website live. And as you can see, both videos auto played without without any click from me. Now, as you can see, also the video controls are hidden. Let's show the video controls just for the first video. Update the website and view the website again. Yes, as you can see, the first one have controls at the bottom of the video, and the second one has no video controls. Let's stop this video from auto playing. Autoplay and check, update the website. View my website live, and now the first one shows the YouTube thumbnail, and the second one auto played. Now let's see how to add a YouTube video in Hostinger website builder, but this time in a blog post. Let's go to my blog section. Let's click on this blog post. These are blog posts of the best places to visit in the USA. Let's say that here I want to add a video below Miami, Florida. Click same thing, click on add elements, select the video element. Let's use this video from YouTube, edit video, replace the YouTube link, and this time I want to add a video animation. For this, as you can see, this is the slide animation, this is the scale, this is the fade. Let's go with the scale video animation. Let's make this video a little bit bigger. Just use these corners or this little icon. Click on update website. Let's visit this blog post. This is the blog post URL. Best places to visit in the USA. And this is my video, YouTube video below Florida. Now let's see how to add a YouTube video in a product page. For that, I will go to Manage Store. Where is my products? This is it. Bins. I still need to create my store. Let's edit this product. And now in the product description is where you can add your YouTube video. Let's say this is a cup. Just place your mouse cursor where you want to add your video. Click on this little YouTube icon and here insert your video. Let's use this YouTube video link. Click on insert. As you can see, it was instantly or automatically added in your video description. Let's save this and view this product page live. This is my online store page, and let's visit this product that I've just edited. As you can see, this is my video added, or my YouTube video added in my product page. Let's look for another way to add the YouTube video here below the product photo. I think I've found it. Let's now use the another video. As you can see, it's pretty much similar. Products video, save, and let's refresh this page. And this is how to do it. So if you want to add a video below the product title, use this, where is my product? Edit. I think it's called additional information. Use an additional create an additional info section. Just click on add info section. If you want to add or to have your video below the product photo, add it directly in the product. I think that's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.